Hare Krishna. Tirupavai Song 2 or Pasuram 2. I'll first sing the song and then we'll tell you the meaning. வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நோம் பாவைக்கு செய்யும் கிரீசைகள் கேளிரு பார்க்கடலுள் பைய துயின்ற பரமனடி பாடி நெய்யுண்ணும் பாலுண்ணும் நாட்காலே நீராடி மையிட்டெழுதோம் மலரிட்டு நாம் முடியோம் செய்யாதன செய்யோம் தீக்குறளை சென்றோதோம் ஐயனும் பிச்சையும் ஆந்தனையும் கை காட்டி உயுமாயின்றெண்ணி உகந்தேலோரென் பாவாய். You will see the meaning. வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் means those who are living in this world. That is, it is said that Bhuloka is the place where it gives chance to so many people to liberate themselves. So she is calling, "Oh girls, I am going to tell you the rules and regulations. Seyyum kiriseigal keliro." That is, it means you are going to listen to the rules and regulations of observing this Pavai Vratam or Pavai fasting. In Dwaparayuga, Gopis observed Katyayini Vrata to get Krishna. Katyayini is another form of Parvati, that is Lord Shiva's wife. Whereas here Andal is telling the Gopis, that is the girls of Srivilliputtur, to observe this Pavai fasting on Krishna only. She wants to attain Krishna and she is observing fasting on Krishna only. So that's the difference between the Gopis of Dwaparayuga and this girls of Srivilliputtur. Because as I told in the first Pasuram itself that Andal is considering herself as Radha and as Gopis only. She says, we need to think about the lotus feet of the Lord. Paramamadipadi. Payyattuindra Paramamadipadi. That is the one who is sleeping in the Kshirasagara on Adisesha. We need to think about the Lord. And she is saying we should only see the focus on the feet of the Lord, because she is considering herself so humble. Because if the devotee is so humble, he will only be seeing the feet. He will think he don't have the eligibility to even see Lord's face. Like how a humble servant will stand in front of his boss and he won't see his face. Like that, Andal is saying our main focus should be on the lotus feet of the Lord. And she is saying, Neyyunnum Palunnum Natkale Neeradi. She is saying we are not supposed to eat ghee or eat milk. So here she is saying eat milk. We understand ghee, but how can you eat a milk? You can only drink a milk. What we are understanding here is in those days the thickness of the milk is such that she is referring like that. It means why do we need anything else for pleasure? So let's avoid ghee and milk. Let's enjoy singing the glories of the Lord. And we need to get up in the Brahma Muhurta and take bath. Natkali Neeradi means we should get up in the Brahma Muhurta and take bath. Mayitteludom malarittu naam mudiyum means we will not apply kajal for our eyes, and we will not wear any flowers. Here her intention is we should not focus on beautifying ourselves. That's why she is saying let's not apply kajal or let's not wear flowers. This is one type of meaning. Another meaning is let Lord Krishna himself come and apply kajal and let him come and beautify us, because Lord always wants his devotees to be beautiful and look happy. So the next one is செய்யாதன செய்யும் தீக்குறளை சென்றுதும். We should not gossip about anyone, and we will not hurt anyone by word or our thought. And she is even saying we should not even complain about others to Krishna. We won't go against our culture and tradition followed by our ancestors for generations, because every culture and tradition will have a deep meaning. Just because we don't know it is from which book, we should not neglect it. So that is the meaning of this. The next one is ஐயமும் பிச்சையும் ஆந்தனையும் கைகாட்டி. She is saying we need to give lots of charity to the brahmanas, sannyasis, brahmacharis. Whoever deserve it, we need to give them the charity, because charity is part of the vratam or fasting. Even it's mentioned that when you observe Ekadashi fasting, we need to do lots of charity, and at least on the next day, Dwadashi day, you need to do lots of charity to brahmanas. So fasting is complete only after giving the charity. ஒய்யுமா என்றெண்ணி உகந்தேலோர் என்பாவாய். So we need to follow all these rules and regulations to achieve the liberation and enjoy the bliss. That's how Pasuram 2, that is song 2, is ending. Hare Krishna.